So once that contract is signed by both parties, the attorney gets it in his hands or her hands, we then have a 3-day period of attorney review. And that 3 days is the time within which you have to act if you want to make changes to that contract. At the conclusion of that 3 days, if no one has acted to cancel or amend that contract, then that contract becomes binding on the parties, on both the buyer and the seller. What happens in 95 to 99% of the circumstances is that an attorney will send an attorney review letter essentially canceling or amending the initial contract. Once that is done, that 3 days of attorney review is no longer a 3-day period. It could be as quick as hours or as long as months, depending on the particulars of the transaction. So when you're thinking about 3 days of attorney review, it's 3 days within which you have to act. But traditionally in our office, we act on day number 1, and we're usually done with the attorney review and under contract before that 3rd day even comes into play.